Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to replace the battery on this iPhone 4. I really like this iPhone. I used to use it years ago, but I'm still having it, and I really like it back then. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. Please always back up your files, documents, your important files, because if someday your device doesn't turn on, then you lose everything. Okay. So we're gonna need for this. We're gonna need this Torx screwdriver and this Phillips screwdriver. Okay. So we're gonna remove two screws right there. You see right here, 1 and 2. Let's remove this first. Okay, right there. Yes. So let's put it here inside this little box. Okay. So now let's flip it, and you're gonna push it through the apple. See? Right there, and then you can remove the cover, back cover. Okay, this iPhone, it doesn't turn on anymore, but I just want to show you how to replace the battery in case you want to replace it and still using the device. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna use now the Phillips screwdriver to remove this little plate. This plate is connected with the cable to the battery. Okay, so be very careful with this little piece right here, because it's attached to this screw. So if you move it or you lose it, then it's gonna be difficult to put it to find it or put it back. Okay, right there. This is one screw. It's little one. Okay, here's the other one. See, it's so tiny that it doesn't come right there. Oops, right there. Okay. Okay, so now let's disconnect the battery. Now let me get a flat screwdriver. So the battery is not working, so the phone is not charged yet. So, but if your phone is still charged, you need to turn it off first. Okay, turn it off first before you open it. Okay, right there. Right there. You see the little part? It came out. Okay, so that's how you disconnect the battery cable. So this one should be right here. Okay, right there. And there is a hole over there, right there. Okay. So now to remove the battery, you just need like this opening tool and go like right here. Just a little bit. See, it comes really easy because the glue is not very strong. Okay, and you're supposed to pull this up, but this is broken already, so that's why I remove it that way. Okay, let's say this is the new battery. So when you put the new battery, make sure this cable is like against the battery, very close. So when you install it, it's not on your way, like that, you know. Okay, so now let's put it back, put it like that. See, the little part came out again, so we need to put it back. So I need my, look at this. This is supposed to be the ground, okay? So if you don't put it back, then it might not work, something might not work, okay? Okay, I think right there, it moves. Okay, so, and this one should be there, right there. Right there, okay? Okay, so the cable, the connector should be go through, okay? So then we're gonna put one screw. Make sure you get this little part, the ground plate. Okay, that's perfect. It's okay. Okay, so now let's put the plate back. You put it back, you push it here like that first, like that. Make sure it's okay, and then push it back. Okay, so that's it. So now let's put screws back. Also, I like to work where there is a lot of light, because these parts are so tiny. So we need a lot of lights, and there is no kids, no pets, because they might grab your tools or something, okay? Okay, guys, so that's the way you replace the battery on iPhone 4. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Give me like. And check my other videos. I'm trying to fix everything I can. Thank you so much. Have a great day.